Yo guys, Boss will be their name, aka the Ghetto Youth Motivator, aka the Girls Them Slayer. What's up, Charlie? Why most of we guys they fail in our marriages? Why our marriages they fail? Charlie, this thing we for think about time, this thing we for talk about time. Why most of we the guys, we the young guys, we they marry. After we marry finish, then we see say we marry the wrong woman. Why that thing, ass, that thing, big ass, big boobs, big ass, big breast, fine woman, be the problem? Ever since I realized that thing, I know they fall into those temptations again. In the bab. I mean, how many times self you go feel chop that woman on a day? How many? You get fine woman, you get beautiful woman. Yes, it be very, 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 very pleasing. It will be very, very nice to get such a woman. You the bab. What you they enjoy from am? If you then come out, hey, your woman fine, yo, hey, your woman fine, yo. That one know they bring you money. You there in the house, you go knock am. You say, oh yeah, you they chop better meat. That know they bring money. At the end of the day, what be the value you they get from that? My guys, if you want marry, if you want choose a permanent partner, a woman you will spend the rest of your life with, you know, be beauty, you know, be fine ass, you know, be nice boobs, fine woman with brains. See, most of the beautiful girls, they know the respect me, and they always talk about this thing. Most of the beautiful girls, you know, say if you dog am, no, some man be they carry am. You know, say if you left am, no, the moment you kick am out, no, somebody they carry am. So she don't care what you they think about am, and she is not even ready to change. She is not even ready to bring herself down for you to teach her the way you want her to lead her life. No, because what's up? Who be you? You know, be Jesus Christ. You know, be God. The very moment you kick her out, somebody go pick her. So she no go respect you. You dey bab. This be why me of late, I know they like fine girls. Of late, no matter how beautiful you are, I know they see your beauty. If you don't make ready to respect me, if you don't make ready to bow to me as the man of the house, me and you will have nothing in common. You dey bab. Get that mentality. Don't they fear rejection? Don't they fear breakup? Don't they challenge? If you want date, if you want have fun, I mean, every young boy go have fun before you go marry. That one there, we already know that. If in the process of you having fun, when you they go for big ass, big boobs, sexy woman, fair enough. You know, say they have fun. So if she know the respect, she they do all those things, you know, say yeah, you just they have fun. So you know they break you down, you know they worry yourself, you know they kill yourself over anything. Because the very moment you feel say that you know they help you, you just walk out. You get your peace of mind. You dey bab. But if you know say this woman, you they keep am for good. You know say this woman, you they keep am for life. My brother, make you know they follow beauty. Follow woman where she's ready to do whatever it go bring, or whatever it go attach to the relationship. It go make the relationship work. It go make you a better person. See, in this life, or me I go talk say the thing I see about marriage, or the thing I see about you adding a woman to your life, or adding someone to your life, is when the person is coming to uplift your life. The person they can raise you go high. The person they can add value to your life. That be when you they add that person to your life. Already you they struggle. Man, you they go through a whole lot of things. You get bills to pay. You get people to watch. you get a whole lot to run, you get business, work, everything to run alone as a man. And instead of you looking for a partner who is ready and willing to build with you, who is ready and willing to upgrade with you, no, we boys, we dey chase nice women, beautiful women, sexy women. Charlie, that be our problem. That be what it dey kill us. Me, I go always tell you the hard truth. What your parents no go tell you, what most of the senior men you dey work with no go tell you, that be what me I go tell you. That as you dey always follow, that hey, wow, that be the problem, my guy. Whenever you start to close your eye on nice women, you start to close your eye on sexy women, Charlie, if you know say real life woman for add value to your life, the woman if they come closer to you for add value to your life, you know be say if they can't take from you go, you know be say if they can't break you, if they can't break whatever you put for so many years, whatever you fight for so many years, that woman they can't break her. For what? For what? Those be the mistakes we most guys we they do, we the bab. Those be the mistake we the youth, we the young boys coming with great potentials. Those be the mistakes we they do. Man guy, you reach time where you for put your mind down, you for put your eye down, you for watch things, you for study things. You know be slave queen, be marriage. Don't go chase nice, beautiful, sexy slave queen. Go put down for your house say you get wife. The moment you go work, a whole lot dey happen behind you. The moment you go work, a whole lot of drama, things where you know they make sense, it dey happen behind you. You dey bab. The moment you go work, you go hustle, you go make something come. Instead of you take that thing come house where you and your woman, you put for sit down, then plan. After you go hustle, after you go stress, after you go work yourself out, make money come out. That be where you dey need a woman with mind, with brains, woman where you get ambitious, woman where you get dream, to help you invest that money you go make am. We dey make money to invest. So that be where you dey need somebody where you go fit add a little knowledge to the knowledge you already have to explode. You dey bab, it no be nothing they let you dey explode. The little pushes our women, our mothers, our families, then they push us. That be the key to our success. So after you go make all this money finish, where you come house, take the money come house, where instead of your woman for give you ideas, for add ideas to your ideas in how to invest the money, because she be slave queen, she will tell you say she dey need bone straight hair, she dey need Brazilian hair, she dey need this, she dey need that, she dey need iPhone 13, she dey need Mercedes Benz, she dey need. Before you go see you finish all the money, you know go fit take the money do shishi, you know go fit take the money do menge, what's up? You burn all the money. That be the woman you dey want day with. That be the woman you dey want spend the rest of your life with, man. Guys, always me I go tell you, choose wisely. See, don't rush into any marriage. Don't force yourself into any marriage. Man, guys, don't try pushing yourself into some corner just to fit in. At a long run, you go fail. At a long run, it go hit you back. Relax. Work on yourself. Relax. Build yourself. The woman you dey date or the girls you dey play with, if they be 10, the 10 all will feel be senseless like that. any year 1, 2, 3 will be in that 10 where them they get brains, where them they make ready to multiply the little you go bring. They make ready to multiply them for you guys to explode and enjoy life. And not be those then they wait for you, make you go hustle come, make you go make money come, then they use your money go buy bone straight hair, they use your money go buy Brazilian hair. You know be that ones then they marry. Man guys, most things I dey tell you, me and they always talk, that be the disadvantage for my side. I no get any senior man make he advise me. These whole things we learn them. You dey bab. So see, don't cheap yourself. Oh, me and they always tell you people, don't cheap yourself. Women always dey. The beautiful ones now they can't bond them, or now they bond them, now then they come. Don't cheap yourself. Don't let make one woman ruin everything you work for. My guys, always put your eye down. Make your sense work. Always things where it go add value to your life. Always things where it go build your life. That be things you for the fight for. If you see say, hey, this girl, she is so beautiful, I'm dying for her, I'm ready to do anything for her, and you are doing anything to make her happy, but you dey see say she no dey add any value to your life, she no dey even think about you, she no care whether you live or die. All she's interested in is the money you bring home, or what you give her. Man guy, you for know say you did wrong relationship inside. There are things where you know they expect angels say make them drop from the sky, make them can't tell you. There are things they need nobody to tell you. You yourself, your mind and your eyes for talk to you. Man guys, we dey always marry, then we divorce. We dey always marry, then we bounce back. We dey always go into wrong marriage inside. Why? Because we dey make wrong choices. Man guys, see, life, to be successful, to be billionaire, to be millionaire, to get money, to be a successful person, you know, be anything. It's always they go down to the little choices you make. We make a whole lot of wrong choices. We make a whole lot of wrong decisions where it dey kill us, it dey ship us now. Man guys, don't they make those mistakes. See, if you meet girl where she no fine, she no be the standard you dey want, she no get what you dey want, but she get brain. She's always ready to multiply your money. She's always ready to add value to your life. She's always ready to make you somebody great in future. That be your wife. That be your soulmate. That be your partner for life. Me, I dey always talk say, see, you know be about knacking, you know be about sex. You know be about knacking, you know be about you know be about that one. But be about future. When people they talk, this be my estate, these are my children, my pickings they go school for United States, my pickings they here. When people start they talk about their life achievement, that where you go see say you fall back. You go see say you make wrong choices. You dey bab. Man guys, there are things you don't need anybody to make it tell you. Yeah? Boss Leo be the name, aka the ghetto youth motivator, aka the girls them a slayer. Man guys, women they plenty. Don't kill yourself for one woman. Don't bend your future because of one woman. Don't they chase slave queens. Them they be for fun. Just have the fun. Just have your fun. Just do whatever you want to do and move, go, walk, bounce. Always be ready to bounce. You chop finish, bounce, make the next person to go chop. That be how she program herself. That be why you dey call her that slave queen. Yes, that be how she program herself. So manage am that